Do you know that there are massive job opportunities for those who are skilled in DevOps engineering? And the interesting part is, companies are paying top salaries because they can't find enough DevOps experts. Hi there, my name is Victory. DevOps is what keeps modern apps running smoothly, faster deployments, fewer errors, and better security. And that is why tech companies, startups, and global firms are hiring DevOps engineers non-stop. And this is how to learn this skill the right way. 1. The fastest way to learn DevOps is not by watching random videos or reading books. It is through practical hands-on training. By setting up CI/CD pipelines using Docker and Kubernetes, and also building real-life projects before graduation. 2. You need to create a strong portfolio with the system you've created and deployed. 3. Share your work on all social media platforms. Employers want proof, not just your certificate. And at Bizmarrow Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training on DevOps engineering, where you build real-life projects before graduation and also create a strong portfolio that employers love. So to start your DevOps journey today, register at Bizmarrow Technologies. See you in my next video. Bye.